He's here! Nate!
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Charlotte, North Carolina, weighing in at 245 pounds, the Nature Boy, Ric Flair!
Woo! Byron, that is sacrilege. The fact that you were trying to imitate Ric Flair. You would know nothing about this man's lifestyle. Nothing.
I could try to learn.
No.
A lifestyle full of elegance. A lifestyle full of championships. It's all been synonymous under the name Ric Flair.
Private jets, $50,000 timepieces. That's just how the Nature Boy rolls.
And his opponent, from Austin, Texas, weighing in at 270 pounds, the American Dream, Dusty Rhodes.
There is only one American Dream.
One of the greatest of all time.
Michael Corey, we're about to get funky like a monkey.
I wish Dusty would hit you with a bionic elbow.
Oh, why would you say that?
And Byron could truly experience hard times.
Listen to this place. The legendary Dusty Rhodes.
One of the most epic rivalries that redefined sports entertainment was the grueling battles between the American Dream Dusty Rhodes and the Nature Boy Ric Flair. The Rhodes-Flair encounters were the epitome of good versus evil. Dusty was the common man, and Flair celebrated greed and materialism.
And it looks to me like this entire arena is on its feet, and understandably so.
Knee drop. Bringing it back into the ring. What a stomp.
Good grief.
Oh, what a slam that hurt. Oh, man.
Nailed it.
Ah, he's got that boot. Boom, what impact. We've got it covered. Easily kicks out of that one.
Very nice.
Going for the big one. Is he done? Nicely done as he gets out of the submission.
Color me surprised, Michael. I did not see that one coming. Elbow drop.
Oh, look at his aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy. Many people know that the American Dream Dusty Rhodes.
Looking for the exclamation point. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. And he escapes the submission.
And good thing, that could have been disastrous. Delivering the shin breaker. forces it.
When you see Dusty in the ring, watch a man of his size. Things are about to pick up, guys.
I love a good plot twist. Dusty Rhodes first made a name for himself alongside Dick Murdoch as the Texas Outlaws. But it was in Florida in 1974 when Rhodes turned on his villainous partner, Pac Song, and manager Gary Hart, that the American Dream was born.
Oh, what disrespect. This one's over by way of disqualification.